Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechBots. Today we are going to be talking about how you can be able to check the disk health of your computer. One often looked aspect of computer maintenance is disk health. A failing hard drive can cause data loss, corruption, and even system failure. And maybe before this manifests, maybe your computer might start running slow. Looking at the performance of your computer, probably when you bought it you knew that it was um, performing very well, but now it's turning to be slow, or maybe you're having frequent crashes or errors on your computer. This is one of the things that you can be able to look into, so that maybe you see where the problem is coming from. So in this video, I will show you how you can check the health of your PC's disk drive using three powerful tools. The first one being Hard Disk Sentinel, and the second one is CrystalDiskInfo, and we'll also make use of the built-in Windows tools. So by the end of this tutorial, you should be able to monitor the disk health regularly and also identify potential issues before they become major problems, before we get to lose our data. So let's dive into this tutorial. So firstly, we'll look at our first tool, which is Hard Disk Sentinel. So to have this one, you go on your browser and you type Hard Disk Sentinel. And you click there, and after you see this screen pop up, we need to click on download because we want this application on our PC. So you need to select the Hard Disk Sentinel Professional, just like I did there. So this might take a while, but don't be bothered by that. So you then just go to download section and you find the setup. So you start installing. So you just accept the agreement and you just be clicking next. This is an easy installation process. And once that is done, you just click on finish. So this is it when you open it now. This is what you will see when you just click on the Hard Disk Sentinel. So it tells you the performance and the health of your disk. You can just close that pop-up window. So you would find that these are the options that are there. There's the multiple disk drives. There's the so on this one, what we need to just do is when you just plug it, or when you just open the disk 2, it will automatically access the disk, that is the primary disk that is on your PC. So this, for example, on mine, these are the results of my disk, and it gives you everything. It gives you even the narration. Like you see on this one, it says the health is excellent, and it even checks the temperature as well. So now I had to plug in an external drive so that we see if it will assess. That's why you saw that there was this the second part, the one that is written ST500, that one. And you see when it gives this report where I'm highlighting now, it's in red. It's even telling me what to do and what to expect. So it can even give you an estimated remaining lifetime. So it gives you this. So this one, I think it's really easy to use, because if it's proper, it just gives you the green, or if you need to change your drive, it gives you the red part. And then now we are selecting the second one, which is the CrystalDiskInfo. You just go on your browser again, you search for this one. This is another tool that you can use. So I think you can, since in this tutorial we are covering two of these, you just get to see which one works best for you, or which one displays the results in a best way for you. Because this one, you just need to read what the app is telling you. You can close those adverts. So we just need to download this one as well. So on this one, you change. You'd notice that there were just many different themes that you could get on the one that you choose. Like there is one with 4 themes. There is one with hundreds of themes. So I've downloaded it. If you download it, you find it under the download section again. Then to install it, it's an easy installation again. You just accept and then you'll be clicking next, next. If you want a shortcut, yes, you select it. So I want us to notice the difference between how the CrystalDiskInfo displays its results versus the hard disk Sentinel. So you see, with this one, it's already telling me caution. It's for that external hard drive. It's for that external hard drive, the other one that gave us the red results. If you remember from the hard disk Sentinel, the one that showed us those red screens. And now our next tool is a Windows built-in tool. So what we will need to do is we need to go to the command prompt. So you go in your search bar, you type command prompt or you type run and then you select command prompt. So under the command prompt, we'll run a certain command. And on this command that we'll do, it will tell Windows to check for errors within our drive. So the first part of this command, which is the check disk, it runs the check disk utility, which assesses your disk. And then you need to specify the drive. That is where I've written C there. And then for F is just telling Windows to fix the errors on the disks. And for R, we are just trying to locate bad sectors and recover readable information. So I had made an error earlier on, ignore that. So now this is the correct command there. But then now to run this command, you need to have administrative rights. So I had to run as an administrator. Yes. So I had to repeat the command here. So after running this command, it will ask you if you would like to schedule this check disk to be done when you boot your machine the next time. So for that, you can just type in Y, meaning yes, you want it to run the next time that this PC restarts. So in my case, I didn't want that. I just had to write a no because I have done my check disk already. So basically the check disk, if you run this check disk command on Windows, it checks on my drive. It had to check the C drive for errors, and it fixes any errors it finds. It scans the disk for bad sectors as well, and it can be able to recover any readable data from bad sectors. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any other further questions, please type them in the comment section and I will respond to them. If it needs another tutorial, I'll actually make another tutorial again.